Hydropower is not limited to river and dams. The oceans itself hold massive energy. Today we explore how a tidal wave power plant works, using the natural rise and fall of seawater to generate clean electricity. Everything starts with ocean tides due to the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Seawater rises and falls every day. This movement is predictable, powerful, and completely renewable. To capture this energy, a tidal barrage is built across a coastal inlet. This structure works like a dam, separating the open sea from a controlled basin while allowing water to move in a controlled way. During high tide, seawater level rise, the sluice gate open, allowing water to flow into the basin. This controlled flow is the first step toward power generation. The rotating turbines are connected to generators inside the powerhouse. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy here, safely enclosed in an industrial environment. When the tide changes, the sea level drops. The water inside the basin flow back toward the ocean. The turbine rotates again, generating electricity even as the water level decreases. The generated electricity is tapped up through transformers and sent inland using transmission towers. From here, it becomes part of the national power grid, supplying homes and industries. This entire system works day after day, using nothing but the natural movement of the oceans. No fuel, no emission, just reliable renewable energy from tides. Tidal wave power plant shows how engineering and nature can work together. With predictable tides and long plant lifespan, tidal energy is a strong solution for coastal renewable power. If you found this explanation useful, like, share, and subscribe for more engineering insights.